Adjust the mirrors. Everybody ready?
I hope you find your ride quite chilling.
Wow, surprises!
Why, riding is the next best thing to flying.
Vampirina's Hauntley mobile. This car has lights and sounds
Sometimes it's nice to hang out.
and comes with Vampirina. Time to open the box. So here's Vampirina. She's a posable figure. Hi everybody. We also got a table and popcorn.
Get ready for a spooky ride.
Here's the car. The doors do not open. But Vampirina can sit inside. Just like that. She can pretend to drive the car.
Spooky is my style.
This car is on try me mode. Let's change it to on.
Spooky is my style. Woohoo! We're going on a road trip. Wanna come? Let's go for a cruise. Why, riding is the next best thing to flying.
Now let's open the trunk. Cool, here we can have a little drive-in movie theater. Let's not forget the popcorn.
I hope you find your ride quite chilling. Spooky is my style.
Let's see what we have here. A Play-Doh surprise. Purple sparkling Play-Doh. Wow, Vampirina's favorite color. We have here Frankie Stacy. Let's see what else. Rocky from Paw Patrol. Leah, a little genie from Shimmer and Shine. Super Wings. And the Smurf. Wow, so many stowaways. Let's see what else. A Super Pup.
He's hard to pull the rod.
Super Squishy. So many toys we can can carry in this car. Cool tires.
Spooktacular. Get ready for a spooky ride. Sometimes it's nice to hang